Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated on my vlogs and educational videos. So ngayon guys, samahan niyo ako sa pag-unbox nitong aking in-order. So ito siya guys. So, without further ado, buksan na natin to mga guys kasi I am also excited to see the what's inside of this thing. Alright, so bubuksan na natin. I-unpack ko na siya guys. Ayan, so easy lang siya buksan kasi parang ito yung kanyang yung lagayan niya, tapos yung pagbukas ko is parang nakadikit lang ito siya mga guys dito. Ayan, so gaganyanin mo lang and then bubukas na siya. So I am excited to open this guys kasi gagamitin ko to siya sa aking laro every Tuesday and Thursday. So kasi naglalaro ako ng my favorite sport when I was in high school until now, and I am also watching this on TV. So bumili ako nito para meron kaming mapaglaruan, o diba? Tsaka it is also serve as my form of exercise para lumabas yung mga toxins at saka yung mga sweat sa ating katawan. So ito siya guys. Alright. Ayan. So this is one tube of shuttlecock. Ayan. Alright. So sa pa lang niya guys, sa labas, habang hinahawakan ko siya guys, napakaganda niya na. Ayan. So I think matibay to guys na shuttlecock, and then you can smash unlimited smash, and then I hope also na tumagal yung shuttlecock at saka makailang games or set of games sa isang shuttle. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito is durable. Ayan. So, I am so excited na to use this on Tuesday and Thursday para meron naman tayong ambag na shuttlecock with my co-players. Kasi matagal-tagal na hindi na ako nakapag-ambag ng one tube of shuttle kasi sila lang yung bumibili ng one tube. Nakikigamit lang ako and I keep on playing with them. Alright, so thank you guys sa pagsama sa pag-unbox ko nitong aking one tube of shuttlecock. So, thank you so much and thank you for watching this video, and good night and God bless guys. Bye bye!